Dave's Gourmet Pasta Sauce Review. Dave's Gourmet Pasta Review. Alright, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. It's going to be a quick lunch. I'm starving, I'm hungry. Came across this Dave's Gourmet Pasta Sauce. It was on sale from like, $10 to $5. So I got two for $10. Good deal. It looks good. So let's make some pasta. And my choice of pasta today, it's gonna be this Lalo organic spaghetti. That's the pasta I'm gonna use in today's video. All right, here comes the sauce. Yeah, should be enough. I'm gonna add some cheese. See if I can do this left-handed. There it is. A little more cheese. Here it is. Cook the pasta for 9 minutes, and that's it. Dave's Gourmet. Looks good, smells good. Let's test it out. There it is. Looks beautiful. Nice. Alright, here we go. Big bowl of pasta. I threw all that, whatever I had left of that pasta, I'm gonna eat it all. Pretty good. Pretty good. As I said before, it was $10 and then on sale for $5, so I got 2 for $10. It's very good. I like it. Would I buy it for $10? Probably not. I can't lie, I would not buy it for $10. By $5 a pop, definitely worth it. Worth the shot. It's good. It's actually very good. My kind of sauce. So if you find this sauce on sale, go ahead and buy it. It's good. If you like creamy sauces, buy this sauce. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's good. It's for $5 and 50% off on sale. It's a very good buy. All right, guys, that's all I got in this one. I'll go finish this off. It's very good, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.